Introducing the Dual Bag, a dunnage bag designed to fill larger voids inside shipping containers. In this video, we will show you the correct way on how to use our dual dunnage bags with the portable inflation unit in just a few simple steps. To start, place the dual dunnage bag in the void, ensuring both valves are facing you and accessible to the portable inflator. Once this has occurred, connect both nozzles to the dunnage bag valves and start inflation. Once the bags are both fully inflated, there will be a change in the pitch of the portable inflation unit, which will indicate the bags are at the ideal pressure. While still holding the trigger on, remove the nozzles from the bag to finish.